Hey everyone, it's Daniel with Generator Source here. Hey, just put together a rental unit here. We bought this generator and comes in, we go through it, make sure it runs good and does what it's supposed to do. And it's a pretty good little unit. It's 100 kW at 480. And then you can see here, we've got our tag here, you can do 208, 480 volt, and you got 100 kW on 480 and a little bit less on 208. So yeah, we got ready to hook up to whatever you need to power up. And yeah, let's go. See is a sound attenuating enclosure, so it'll be pretty quiet on the job site. I got a 250 gallon fuel tank on it, so it'll run for a good 48 hours.
How much does it weigh to tow it?
The tow weight is, it's like a 5,000 pound unit.
So what kind of system will this power?
I mean, you can use it for just lighting, motors, anything that you're needing 480 volt or 208 volt. Yeah, I mean, we hook them up to pretty much everything. And also on this particular generator, it's got a hookup for an external fuel tank in case you parked it somewhere and we're running it for a long time and the base tank's just not enough. You can hook a auxiliary fuel tank to it and just turn 2 valves and it'll pull the fuel right out of there. So that's a nice feature that they have on these. Start it up here. Obviously got hertz gauge and then amp gauge and voltage gauge there for the low voltage, and then high voltage is on the left side. We got voltmeter and then amp meter.
How can we learn about this?
Now you can kind of hear how quiet it is once the doors are closed. It's not super loud.
What about renting this? How would somebody get the information?
So go to our website, generator.com, source.com, and obviously you can call in and ask our service department for rental units, and they will help you out with whatever you need.
Thank you.
Yep.